Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a powerful duo for drivers who want extra awareness and protection on the road, the Cobra RAD 480i radar detector paired with the SC201 Smart Dash Cam, plus an OBD to micro USB hardwire kit. This setup isn't just about detecting radar, it's about creating a smarter, safer driving experience. Let's start with the Cobra RAD 480i radar detector. Known for its long-range rapid radar detection, this device provides advanced warnings so you can stay ahead of potential speed traps. Powered by Cobra's proprietary iRadar app, you gain access to real-time driver alerts, red light and speed camera notifications, and shared community updates. Its digital signal processing ensures fewer false alerts, meaning you only get the information that matters most. It's designed to be discreet yet highly effective, giving you confidence on highways and in city driving alike. Now, pairing perfectly with it is the Cobra SC201 Smart Dash Cam. This dash cam records in full HD 1080p, ensuring every detail is captured from license plates to road conditions. It comes with a 16GB SD card pre-installed, so you're ready to hit the road right out of the box. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it simple to review and share your footage, while GPS tagging gives accurate speed and location data. It's not just about capturing accidents, it's about documenting your drives with clarity and precision. And here's the convenience factor, the 2.5A OBD port to micro USB hardwire kit. This DIY-friendly kit makes installation incredibly easy, drawing power directly from your vehicle's OBD port. That means no messy wiring into your fuse box and no dangling cables cluttering your dash. Just a clean, professional-looking setup that powers both your dashcam and radar detector seamlessly. Together, this combo creates a powerful driving assistant warning you of radar threats ahead while capturing reliable video evidence of your journey. Whether you're a commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or simply want extra peace of mind on the road, this kit is a perfect all-in-one solution. So, if you're ready to take your driving safety and awareness to the next level, check out the Cobra RAD 480i radar detector, the SC201 Smart Dash Cam, and the included hardwire kit today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and must-have tech finds.